Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video I will be showing you how you can earn money online. Earning money online is one of the best thing. Without any investment you can earn money, but at the same time investing money and earning profit within 5 days to 6 days is one of the best technique that you can only do online. Now, for earning money online you have to look at two things. First thing is, do you want a passive income or do you want instant money? Instant money is that money that you're investing, let's say $5, and after 20 days, 10 days, 5 days you want your money double, but at the same time there is a lot of risk. But I will be showing you some of the different things that you can look at and earn money. Now there are some of other things that you can do, and without investment you can earn a lot of money. That is freelancing. Yeah, so freelancing is our first topic. If you want to earn money you can go with the freelancing, but you have to look at what is your passion, and you must have a service, something, so you can provide that thing to that other person, obviously, right? If you know how to edit video, this is a service that you're providing to any other person. Now you might be thinking, if I know a skill, how can I give these skills to someone else? I'm here, I will show you. So there are some of the websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelance. Now these are all taking 20% profit, but at the same time you're earning a lot of money. Personally speaking, I'm using Fiverr, and I'm giving different services like video editing, texture painting, 3D modeling, sculpting, digital portraits, drawings, etc. Now I had only used Fiverr and I didn't use Upwork or Freelance, but I had heard from many people that Upwork on Upwork there are a lot of people and they're actually very professional. That's why they're paying a lot of money to those person who are working for them. So first point and the first topic is freelancing. You can earn a lot of money from freelancing without investment, but you know how to do something so that you can provide that service to your client. Now the second topic, moving on to our second topic, that is passive income. Now what is passive income? Passive income is like a ratio that you get until you live. So the best example of passive income is YouTube. There are a lot of different creators who are earning a lot of money, and they only create videos for once and they make money like forever. Just like I'm making a video and I will be earning from this video for years and years until YouTube go away. And now there are a lot of different opportunities that we have. We can sell our models, our alerts, some stock videos, and different things that we can do to earn passive income. If you want to earn passive income, you can start with YouTube. Just make your YouTube videos and choose that topic that you're interested in, and in this way you will be earning passive income. And I think this is the best thing that you can do to earn a lot of money, because you just have to do that thing for once and that's it. You will be earning money. Moving on to our third topic, that is stock exchange. You have heard this name many times, right? So I haven't invested my money into stock exchange because I don't know that much about stock exchange, I guess. So, but I have heard many stories, and I can tell you one story. There was a person in India in 1992. He started with 40 cents and he made billions of dollars. He was Harsh Mehta. So similarly, there are a lot of people who are earning money, but at the same time there is a lot of struggle behind it, and they have a lot of information about this market, how the market goes up and how the market goes down. So you have to learn a lot of things if you want to make your money double, triple, 10x, because if this market can give you a lot of money, at the same time you can lose a lot of money from it. So I'm not a financial advisor, and so if you want to earn money into stock exchange, you have to learn how it works. Moving on to our fourth topic, that is cryptocurrency. I've invested a lot of money. Honestly speaking, when I started cryptocurrency, I lost about $200, and after that, I made about $600 profit. Can you believe this? This was just because I learned how the market goes up and how the market goes down. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not force you to go into these type of things, because and you have to learn a lot of things about the market, because I have invested some money and I had lost some money. So that's why if you want to move into cryptocurrency, you have to learn a lot of things. But I can tell you one thing: in 2010, Bitcoin was like 50 cents, and now it's on 2021, the price of Bitcoin is about 60k dollars, and it's still increasing. And people are saying there are some like 2 or 3 million coins that are left to mine, and after that, price of Bitcoin will go up. But if you don't have that much money, you can just go with the altcoins. What is altcoin? Altcoins are all those coins escape Bitcoin. So if you still want to invest in Bitcoin and you want to play safe, what you can do is you can just put your $20 into it and just leave them at that stage, and after like 10 days, I'm pretty sure those $20 will be $1,000, because the price will goes up. Last and the fifth thing is e-commerce. You can earn a lot of money from e-commerce. Like, there is a person, Jeff Bezos, you know his name, right? He was at once he was the top person holding a lot of money into his bank account, like $150 billion. But now the worth has increased like $200, I guess. But now he's on second, and the first one is Elon Musk. And Jeff Bezos was running a company that was Amazon, that was totally based on e-commerce, buying and selling stuff. Obviously, you know that. You can earn a lot of money by putting some product onto their website, like Shopify, Amazon. If you, for example, selling a pair of socks, you can do that. You just have to put all the details of that product and just go online and sell your product online if you want to increase your sales. But at the same time, you have to learn all the algorithms, how these type of things work, how these type of websites work, because you have to make sure that your product is listed at the top and it ranked at the top. Because honestly speaking, if I'm buying something, I just look for first page and then I just order a thing. So that's how these type of things work, and you can earn a lot of money from e-commerce. These were the 5 things that I think you can earn a lot of money from it. And honestly speaking, you can earn a lot of money. Like, there are a lot of YouTubers who are making a lot of money, like million of dollars, and there are a lot of freelancers who are at the same time making millions of dollars. And on the stock exchange, it's like billions of dollars, and cryptocurrency billions of dollars. At the same time, e-commerce is giving you billions of dollars. So you can earn a lot of money. If you want to invest online, go with online. I honestly speaking, I'm with you, and you're doing best thing. If you're watching this video till now, just subscribe the channel, and I will be meeting you in the next video. If I get 50 likes, I will be making this second part, but with some explanation. Thank you very much.